Good morning, guys. All muscle. Working on the C6 today. I wanted to show you something real quick. I had a little issue with the way the car was sitting. I don't know if you're going to be able to see that in this video, but if you're a Corvette, you might be able to tell. If you see the right side on this C6 is leaning, it's leaning down a little lower than the driver's side. Well, I started looking at it and took off the wheels, took off the wheels, inspected the suspension. I figured maybe I had a bent arm or something because the vehicle had bottomed out on this front right corner. So I figured it was going to be something with a bent arm or a broken spring, the monoleaf that's down there. But anyways, come to find out that it's not any of those things. I'm going to show you what it is here in a second. I don't have the car raised up right now. I had to set it back down just for the meantime. But anyways, this is the rear spring. This one here happens to be off of a Grand Sport. But as you can see at the end of each side, there's a little rubber stop, bump stop, or spring stop, or adjuster. This actually gives adjustment to the ride height of the vehicle. Actually, you can do some small adjustments to the ride height of the vehicle up and down with the adjustment on this actual rubber stopper here. So come to find out, after a close look, we are actually missing the rubber stop on the one that's inside that's installed in the car. So what we're going to do is we're going to lower down the spring, and we're going to see if we can install both of these stops. I want both of them to be matching. These ones are a little wore out. I've seen them a lot worse where they're just basically there's no rubber here. It's just riding right on the metal. So and the car was sitting down about 3/4 of an inch on that side lower, and that's the approximate measurement here. From this is a steel, and then this, actually if you see this first plate is a steel plate, and then from there down is going to be your rubber insulator. So anyways, we're going to replace both of those. If you happen to have the same issue, if you don't know why your car is leaning to one side, take a look at those and see if they're misadjusted. Number one, number two, they could be completely missing. So take a look at those and see what you've got going before you jump to any conclusions on what else it might be. So we're gonna get to work on replacing that, and maybe what I'll do is once we have it all apart, we'll go ahead and take a video of what it looks like and how we got the job done. So stay tuned for that, and I'll see you in a few.